Imagine going from zero to making $500 a month online without coding, without a degree, and without quitting your job. Sounds like a scam, right? But this isn't one of those get-rich-quick hype reels. This is a beginner-friendly AI side hustle system that actually works, and it's built around tools that are completely free to start. If you stick around for just a few minutes, you're going to walk away with a full step-by-step strategy to launch your first AI-powered income stream, even if you've never made a single dollar online. And if you're serious about finally building something real, something that pays you while you sleep, then make sure you subscribe to AI Hustle Hub, the only place where we break down real money-making systems using the power of AI. Now let's talk about what this system actually is. We're not going to waste time with fluff. You've probably already seen videos that tell you to use ChatGPT to start a business or generate ebooks with AI, but they don't actually show you how to put the pieces together. What we're building here is a simple machine. Input AI tools, process with strategy, and output cold hard cash. And we're starting small, $500 a month. Why? Because hitting your first $500 proves that the system works. Once you know how to get there, scaling to $1,000 or even $5,000 is just about repetition and volume. We start with the most beginner-friendly model, content automation. You're going to use AI to generate content for platforms that pay. Think YouTube, Faceless channels, Medium articles, Pinterest pins, link to affiliate products, or digital download stores on Etsy. The best part? You don't need to show your face, and you don't need to be an expert. The AI becomes the expert. You're the publisher, and when you publish valuable content consistently, you create digital real estate that works 24/7. Let's walk through one of the easiest paths to your first $500, AI-generated articles on Medium, combined with affiliate marketing. Why Medium? Because it has built-in traffic, high authority on Google, and pays through its partner program when people read your stories. Here's how to make it work. Start by picking a niche that pays like personal finance, productivity, fitness, or AI tools. Go to a free AI writing tool like Claude, ChatGPT, or Notion AI and generate an article around a trending topic. You can even search Quora or Reddit for questions people are already asking. Then use AI to write an answer in blog format. Add structure, polish it with Grammarly, and make sure your title is SEO optimized. Use phrases like how to, best tools, or AI secrets to attract clicks. Then insert your affiliate links strategically. Let's say you wrote about top 3 AI tools for content creators. You can include affiliate links to Jasper, Grammarly, or Copy AI. When readers click through and sign up, you earn a commission. Many of these tools offer recurring commissions, meaning you'll get paid monthly as long as the user stays subscribed. Stack this across multiple articles and tools, and you've got a compounding income source. The next method is exploding right now: YouTube Shorts using AI. You've seen them, those 30-second videos showcasing top 5 AI tools to make $100 a day, or this AI side hustle changed my life. These videos go viral because they're short, fast, and loaded with curiosity hooks, and you can create them without ever stepping in front of a camera. Start by asking ChatGPT to write 10 script ideas for shorts on AI money-making tools. Pick one, refine it slightly, then grab royalty video brow footage from sites like Pexels or Pixabay. For voiceover, use tools like ElevenLabs or even the built-in AI voices inside Invideo. Speaking of video editing, Invideo is the best platform for beginners to edit professional quality YouTube shorts without experience. It comes with drag-and-drop features, built-in stock footage, AI script-to-video tools, and custom templates. You can use Invideo to turn your script into a polished video in under 15 minutes. The link to Invideo is in the description below. Highly recommend you check it out if you're serious about building this side hustle. Once your video's ready, upload it to YouTube with an SEO-friendly title and use hashtags like iSideHustle, Make Money Online, and Passive Income. Post 5 shorts per week. Even if only one hits 10K views, you'll likely see affiliate link clicks and email opt-ins, 2 things that convert into cash. Let's shift gears to another system that's blowing up on Etsy: AI-generated digital products. The demand for printable planners, checklists, and templates is massive, and AI makes it easy to create them. Start by asking ChatGPT to generate content for a 30-day self-discipline planner or a daily gratitude journal. Then use Canva to design the pages, export it as a PDF, and list it on Etsy. Price your product between $5 and $15. Optimize your listing with keywords like digital planner, instant download, and AI-generated template, and watch the sales come in. Here's the math. If you sell a $10 digital product 50 times in a month, that's $500. And because it's a digital file, there's no shipping, no handling, and zero cost after the initial setup. You can scale this by launching multiple products in related niches: fitness planners, budget trackers, daily affirmations, even Notion dashboards. Use AI to generate ideas, Canva to design, and Etsy to sell. Now let's go even deeper into AI-generated ebooks and lead magnets. This strategy ties directly into list building, which is where the real long-term money is. Use ChatGPT to outline and write a 15-page ebook on a topic like how to start an AI side hustle. Format it in Google Docs or Canva, then turn it into a PDF. You now have a free lead magnet. Use it to collect emails from your audience, whether on Medium, in your YouTube Shorts description, or from Etsy buyers. Connect it to a free email tool like ConvertKit or System.io. Once you've built a list of even 100 engaged subscribers, you can start sending weekly emails, promote affiliate offers, send digital product links, or upsell to premium guides. And yes, you can even use AI to write the email copy, so it takes less than 10 minutes a week. This is where your side hustle becomes a business, because now you own the traffic and can monetize over and over. One more route that's beginner-friendly: selling AI-generated prompts or swipe files. Platforms like PromptBase, Gumroad, or your own mini Shopify store can host these. You can sell prompt bundles for things like content creation, copywriting, or business planning. Use ChatGPT to generate prompt templates, turn them into a clean PDF or CSV, and upload them. If you price it at $9.99 and sell just 50 bundles a month, that's your $500. And as AI adoption continues to grow, so will the demand for high-quality prompts. Let's recap. You've now got 5 actionable AI-powered side hustle systems to choose from: Medium plus affiliate articles, YouTube Shorts plus affiliate offers using Invideo, digital products on Etsy, AI-written ebooks plus email funnels, prompt packs on PromptBase or Gumroad. Pick just one and go all in for 30 days. Use free tools, follow proven systems, and let AI do the heavy lifting. You don't need luck. You need leverage, and AI gives you exactly that. The truth is, we're still early. Most people are watching AI passively. A few are building with it, and the ones who act now, they'll be the ones with financial freedom in the next 12 months. So don't just scroll past this and forget it. Pick a lane, build your system, and don't stop until that first $500 hits your account. And if you're ready for more detailed breakdowns, automation tools, and growth hacks to scale these side hustles faster than ever, join us at AI Hustle Hub. We drop weekly content built for action takers. The links in the description. No fluff, just strategy. Your journey from $0 to $500 starts now. See you at the top.